Bangladeshi anti-India leader Osman Hadi's brother has made a sensational claim. While attacking interim PM Muhammad Yunus, Hadi's brother Omar Hadi said that it is the Yunus administration that killed Hadi 2 months before the elections to disrupt the polls. Now, Srinjoy from the Times Network is joining us to put these allegations into perspective and what it means for Bangladesh.
This is the most sensational charge because Osman Hadi's brother is now alleging that the government of Bangladesh, the ruling government of Bangladesh of Muhammad Yunus, is behind the murder of his brother. Now, this, of course, is an allegation, a charge, but it will be interesting to see what the government of Bangladesh says about it. Because what he is alleging is, number one, that the Bangladesh government is behind the murder of his brother. Secondly, he is saying that the reason for this is that this will lead to a lot of trouble in the country, and this will lead then to the delay in holding the elections, which is due in February. The point to be noted is that the Yunus government has been in power since August last year.
আপনারাই ওসমান হাদিকে হত্যা করিয়েছেন, আবার আপনারাই এটাকে ইস্যু করে নির্বাচন বানচাল করার চেষ্টা করতেছে। ওসমান হাদি বলেছিলেন ফেব্রুয়ারিতে দেশে নির্বাচন হতে হবে এবং সেই নির্বাচন করার জন্য সে প্রস্তুতি নিয়ে মাঠে নেমেছিল, কিন্তু তাকেই হত্যা করে নির্বাচন বাধাগ্রস্ত করার চেষ্টা হচ্ছে।
Now, when you speak about